Guys, let's talk about why tornado drills are so dumb. Like they think if we bend over the tornado will go away. No, what is going away is our lives and our clothes. Like bro, the tornado is gonna swipe me away. This is how our scream is gonna be like when the tornado is swiping you away. Like bro, it a fast death penalty. And I just know them fragile pipe are gonna fall. And then the kids are thinking they can survive like no, you're not. I can tell you, lil bro, reality is harsh. And if a tornado really happened, I'm the first one getting on the hard floor.